Yes.
I hope there's lightning. Uh-oh. It's reaching the bottom of that tree too. See that bottom?
I wonder if we should go.
We need to just stay here.
Is the cabin? Well, it's far enough away from your cabin. I hope it doesn't hit that other tree.
I hope it doesn't hit that cabin right there. Why are they still putting fireworks?
Well, they're not over by us, but you'd think that would kind of be a lesson.
Is that tree the one that's pretty much by itself?
Yeah, that's a pretty isolated one.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's that front one.
But still, if it falls.
That's true, it could drop.
I hope it doesn't.
I hope it doesn't hit that house.
Oh my gosh.
Gone out of the way.
There's people out on Davis's deck.
Man.
I'd get out of there.
Now I'm glad we were at the
Aren't you?
boat. Come on. Come on.
Hopefully someone's coming to be a...
Fireboat. Come on. Fireboat.
Are they trying to wet the tree below?
I just hope it doesn't push from the road.
Ow.
And then catch.
Is that a fireboat coming?
There it is.
The boat's a long way away.
Where? There's the fireboat. It's moving fast. That boat's
I hope they're hosing their house.
Fireboat. We found the fireboat.
Due to the fire that's up in that tree.
Oh Lord, please protect everybody. Just burn out quickly.
Whoa.
Fall into the lake. Fall into the lake.
Missed that. I wish there was night games. Do you think there's night games though?
Well, I don't know if people
here.
are worrying about that right now. And look at all those, sparks flying.
Who's here?
The fire people, they're here.
Are they here?
Yeah, they're right there. Yeah, you see them?
No, I don't.
No, that's
They're
just
right
spraying
there.
water. I don't think they're.
See them spraying water?
I
Oh
think
gosh,
those,
it's
no,
getting
those
bigger.
are just hoses. Oh. Who's down there?
Turn on all the sprinklers.
Yeah.
Have they got all the sprinklers?
Yeah, why are there kids out there? Like people on the course.
There
Dying
are?
down on the bottom section.
It's what?
It's dying down on the bottom section of the tree.
But we got.
Yeah, we need to get away from the...
above us.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we need to get out in the middle.